Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and it is totally based on a single embroidery stitch that is very easy to make, beginner friendly. Yes, you have guessed it right, lazy daisy stitch. In this video we are going to see different design patterns of hand embroidery that you can design with the help of only one stitch, that is lazy daisy stitch. Lazy daisy hand embroidered flowers are different combination pattern based, so one by one we are going to discuss that on which type of things, on which type of accessories you can make these very beautiful embroidery patterns. Like you can make these very beautiful embroidered patterns onto face masks, onto wallets, onto purses, onto your glasses covers, mobile cases, onto your baby girl dress designing, and many more creative ideas to make your bags, handbags, clutch purse, clasp purse, and grocery bags, laptop bags, and many more creative stuff. And not only this, you can also embroider these patterns onto your face masks to keep yourselves protected from COVID and many different viral infections like pollen allergy, like dust allergy, dust pollution, and many more other creativities. So friends, I hope that you have liked my today's ideas, and if you are an absolute beginner, you don't know any embroidery stitch and you want to learn lazy daisy stitch, then go to my channel's playlist tutorials for beginners. There I have taught you with a very beautiful and eye-catchy pattern of hand embroidery, then how to make a lazy daisy flower. So I have taught you on a face mask as well as on a separate fabric, step-by-step detail to let you know that how you can make a lazy daisy flower with a focused attention of only 1 minute. So thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and stay connected. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, and for getting more creative, stylish and artistic ideas, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Thank you so much.